Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to use your top oven. This smaller compartment is designed for efficiency, perfect for when you need to cook smaller portions or quickly brown dishes. Always begin by preheating it for about 5 to 10 minutes to ensure even cooking. Remember to position the oven rack correctly for your specific dish, usually in the middle for most items. This simple setup ensures you get the best results every time. The top oven truly shines for specific culinary tasks. It is ideal for grilling, toasting, or achieving that perfect golden brown finish on your food. Think about melting cheese on nachos, crisping up a pie crust, or quickly cooking a couple of sausages. Its compact size means it heats up fast, making it an excellent choice for single servings or when you are in a hurry. It is a versatile tool for many everyday cooking needs. When using your top oven, temperature and timing are key. Because of its smaller size, it heats up much faster than a conventional oven, so always monitor your food closely to prevent overcooking. You might find yourself reducing cooking times by as much as 1/4 to 1/3 compared to standard oven recipes. For precise temperature settings, always consult your appliance's user manual. This will help you achieve perfectly cooked meals without any guesswork. Safety and maintenance are crucial for your top oven. Always use oven mitts when placing or removing dishes, as the interior and racks will be extremely hot. To keep your oven performing its best and to prevent smoke or unpleasant odors, make sure to clean it regularly. Allow the oven to cool down completely before you begin cleaning. A simple wipe down after each use can significantly extend its lifespan and maintain its efficiency for many years of delicious cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.